Here I have Vivo V20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, then go to the Backup Data, Google Server, enable feature Backup My Data, then you have to add your backup account. Of course you'll need internet connection to add this account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number, tap Next. Then you will have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to tap Accept here. And then tap OK. And after that, your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.